Hello lovely folks, do you want to know something exciting? It is one more sleep till we go to Disney World and I am busy packing. But as I do, I'm just going to try on all my Disneybounds to make sure I've got everything I need, to make sure I'm not missing a vital sock or a strapless bra or anything. And while I do, I thought I would make a quick video for you. So this is everything I'm wearing to Disney World. You ready for some Disney magic? Right, this is my flight outfit. So we've got some nice stretchy pink jeans going on there, nice comfy to sit down in, no problems with discomfort or things digging in at all. I've got my comfy wide slip-on shoes that can come on and off. This is a Mary Blair concept art for Alice in Wonderland t-shirts that I bought especially, again nice and loose. And this cardigan, it's my cinema cardigan and my flight cardigan and my everything cardigan, because it's basically, it can be a blanket, it can be squished up to be a pillow, but it's also, despite being really big, it squashes quite small because the wool itself is quite thin. So that's my flight outfit. Let's go on to Disneybound number 2. Right. Disneybound staple, Minnie Mouse. This is actually a cosplay dress. It's got little Minnie Mouse printed onto there. And it's from EMP website. I love this dress because it's got pockets. It's quite thick jersey, so sometimes I worry I might get a bit hot, but it is quite loose as well. So it's just an easy, comfortable thing to wear. Obligatory spotty bow and yellow pearls. Right, what's next? Minnie Mouse number 2. Right, I actually bought this skirt to go on the cruise so I could wear it slightly more dressed up, formal night. I wore it with a much prettier top than just this Bardo t-shirt. And I was debating whether or not to take it to Florida with me because the key is comfort. But I've got rid of the huge frou-frou underskirt that I wore on the cruise. And what swayed it for me was when I realised the skirt has pockets, which we all know are vital for the park. So, same shoes, same necklace, possibly the same headband, although I do have ears that go with the skirt. I'm just not very good at wearing ears in the park. We'll see how I go with that. Right, what's next? Right, can you guess what I am now? Okay, this one might be a little bit left field, but if I come a bit closer to the camera to show you my necklace. Yeah, I am a Rebel fighter pilot, and this is what we're going to wear on our Star Wars Galaxy's Edge day. So I've got the white and the orange jumpsuit, and then I've got a little nod to it in my backpack as well. Can you see the Rebel logo? I think this is the first time I've mentioned my backpack today. So if you want to know how I managed to adapt this one rucksack to work for infinite Disneybounds, then go back and watch the great Disneybound bag hack video that I made about a week ago, I think. So, aviators for Poe Dameron, obvs. This is why you want to be trying on your Disneybounds before you go though. I've just kind of noticed these straps are a bit long, and while I know that you could have them slouchy and down there and it'd still be cool, I think I'd be a lot more comfortable for a long hot park day to have things firm. So I'm going to move the buttons on my dungarees. Right, so that was a good discovery. Okay, let's continue. Okay, next we have just 3 sundresses, normal dresses, as normal as you can be when you're covered in Disney characters. So this one has got a little bit of a Polynesian tiki theme, and it's got tiki heads of Stitch. So that's my Lilo and Stitch dress. Let's go on to the next one. And dress number 2, Orange Bird. Now I got this at the outlets, and they're usually like, knocking $100, and I think I got this for about $30 at Vineland's outlets. It was a steal, and I absolutely love it. It fits like a glove. It feels so nice. It's really good quality. Have a look at the print. Orange birds all over, and I actually bought the matching necklace when I got back to the resort. So you've got a little orange bird there on the beads. I should point out All these dresses, including the Lilo and Stitch one I was just wearing, have got pockets because Mama loves a pocket when she's in the parks. So let's see what the third dress is. And last but certainly not least, it's my Tiki dress. I love this so much. Hugh got me this for our 10th wedding anniversary from the Polynesian. Same make as the Orange Bird one. It's the Disney dress shop. And it's got pockets. I was going to wear the orange beads with it again, but I'm not too sure if they match now. But what I do have is I have the matching headscarf that goes with it. So that's nice. Right. Another dress one next, but this is like a Disneybound light. It's a cloud dress. Also, as a Disneybound, it's up. I call this a Disneybound light because it's not a particular character. It's not overtly obvious what it is. But I've got my little house with the balloon necklace on. I've also customised my bag again so that I've got an up bag. And really, it's just because I really like this dress again. It fits nicely, it's light, it's cool, it's got pockets, it's easy to pack, easy to wear. Pink straps, pink shoes, pink headscarf, you know I love to match. It's just an easy one to do. Right, let's keep going. It's Pluto. Right, we're on to the Harem pantsuits now, which are a staple of my Disneybounds. I've got them in all sorts of colours. I'm only taking 2 with me this time, as you'll see, because they are quite big to fold. They are quite heavy when they're folded, even though they're light to wear. It's a lot of t-shirt fabric there. But I'm getting multiple bounds out of each. So this one is simply got your green neckerchief, the ears of the black headscarf, and then of course yellow shoes, mustard pantsuit. You have to wear sports bras or crop tops with these because they do like to kind of do that, which can be a bit revealing. But that's what allows you to add an extra colour, and that's how I'm getting multiple Disneybounds out of these pantsuits. Let's see. Simba! So, same pantsuit, but I've changed for an orange crop top, orange headscarf for the mane, and then I've just added the Rafiki drawing of Simba necklace there. I got this necklace from When You Wish Ears Company on Etsy, if anyone's interested. I always like to support independent sellers. So let's go on to the next Harem one. And we're in blue. Right, we're back to the mustard crop top, although I've just thought the orange one could work just as well for what we're doing. This entire Disneybound is based around this necklace. Now, I got this about 10 years ago. In Topshop, it was on the sales rack and it had been reduced from like £25 to about £8. So I thought, bargain, I've got to get it. Then I've never worn it because it's such a statement piece. It's like, why would you? What outfit does this go with? So I decided when doing my Disneybounds that I needed to do one Kevin from Up. Now, funnily enough, I'm not that sure about this one. It might not end up getting used. I got these earrings, which I'm not sure about. I'm not an earring wearer, but I thought kind of the colours and the featheriness could be Kevin from Up. Do you think that this would look better? Mustard chest area or orange chest area for Kevin? I'm just not sure. It's just not pleasing me as much as I thought it would. But I'd love your input. So say in the comments down below whether you think I should keep it or change it. But we're staying in this blue pantsuit because we've got one more. And black, and back to the yellow accessories. And this is Dory from Finding Nemo. I know I've got a yellow headscarf, but I've gone back to the black one because if you look at pictures, there's actually a lot more black and blue than there is yellow. You just tend to remember the yellow with Dory. So that's an easy peasy one. Back to the skirts. How glam is this? Now this was kind of a weird last minute addition in that I put this together yesterday. I'd already got this purple body. Oh, it's Ariel, by the way, could you tell? I'd already got this purple body when I was going to do an Ariel Disneybound before, and I'd got this other skirt and I hated it and it kind of like flumped out around the hips, and and it just wasn't me. And then I tried to look for like some green pedal pusher trousers. I couldn't find the right colour and I just abandoned it. Got all my other packing lists sorted. And when I was getting out my Disney suitcase last week, yes, I have a Disney suitcase, I found this body and I thought, what if? So I went on ASOS and like, what day is it today? It's Tuesday today. Sunday night, I was laying in bed and I found this green skirt on ASOS and thought, oh, I'll get it. If I don't like it, I can send it back. Next day delivery, it arrives yesterday, and I'm just really pleased. I'm really pleased to the point where this might even be my birthday outfit. And I really love it with the red hat. And yes, ladies, if you're wondering, we have pockets. That's what sold me in the end, was the pockets. So I'm just really, really chuffed with this outfit. Don't know what I'm doing about shoes yet. I could have shopped for green shoes if I'd planned earlier, but it's probably going to end up just being my trusty sandals because they are really, really comfortable. But she'd wear bare feet, wouldn't she? So whether I can find some nude sandals in the meantime, I don't know. Right, let's carry on. Almost there. We don't talk about Bruno, no. So it's happened. We've gone Encanto. I have my Encanto Loungefly, which required its own Disneybounds. If you listen to the podcast, you'll know there's a saga. If you don't, all you need to know is I now own an Encanto Loungefly, and that is a very good thing. So, Encanto Loungefly, yes, this is Dolores. Now, I'm a bit nervous about these trousers because our friend Susie from Our Suze, the YouTube channel, check it out, it's great. She's just put up loads of daily vlogs from Florida. They're really worth watching. But she was wearing polyester trousers in one of her vlogs and was bemoaning the decision, let's just say. So I'm a bit worried that these, I'm gonna grow to rue the day I put on some polyester trousers. But for now, they feel nice and loose. They feel like they've a lot of air in them and they're cool. So let's hope I don't regret it. The blouse, I actually have 3 options for these blouses. I've got this one with a shorter frilly collar. Doesn't tuck in very well though, it's a bit short. I've got this one with a longer collar, but it's longer so it tucks in quite nicely, which means I can get a bit of a higher waist with the trousers, which might be a bit more Dolores-y. Or I've got, yeah, that's just a really, really pretty blouse that you can wear with anything. So I'll make a decision when I'm there as to which I like. They all serve the same purpose. And the thing is that one of them will be used for my next Disneybound, which I'm sure you can guess. Mirabel! This is my final Disneybound. We've got to the end. I don't know if this is a long video, probably not, but it's taken a long time to film. So we're here now, and this is kind of the pièce de résistance, but it's not finished. I've been, let's put Mrs. Loungefly there for a second. I've been embroidering this from scratch myself, and I just haven't had as much time as I thought I was had. My aim is to get it right up to the waistband, because it's kind of a triangular shape, and as long as I can get up to here, I will consider it finished. And then anything else I can do to kind of go round the edge will be the best, to make it wider, a wider triangle will be, you know, just a bonus. But I plan to do it on the plane. That's my main activity for the plane. So 9 hours, hopefully I can get quite a bit more done. Excuse the bra straps, I'm not wearing the crepe bra today, but I've got the little pom-pom ears, like I've just said. I've got options for blouses, not sure what I'm going to do. I haven't embroidered the blouse. I've only got so much time. And I don't have curly black hair, so we've gone for a black headscarf to kind of fill out the hair a little bit. Right, thank you so much. Oh, I'm coming closer. Thank you so much for watching that. It's been quite fun. It's been helpful for me as well, because now I know what needs stitching and fixing and what underwear I need to get and all that kind of thing. So we are going to Florida tomorrow, and we will be vlogging various things. So make sure you like and subscribe and check those out. Obviously, we still have the weekly podcast, which is going ahead without us. So Chris is doing it with his son Lucas this week. And then in 2 weeks, we'll be back, and we'll be back on doing the Disneyland Paris Show. So if you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in Florida.